Hello, welcome to my messy fingers. I'm Charlie. I had a wonderful opportunity that was offered to me by an online store called Scrap and Create. You can order all the supplies from them that you would need to make this album. What I made was an album featuring Graphic 45's Spring is in the Air. Now, what Scrap and Create sent to me was the bundled package. In that bundled package, you will get a 12 by 12 core, and you'll get a 12 by 12 patterns and solids. You'll also get the 8 by 8. You'll get the rub-ons. You'll get the sticker sheets. You'll get the ephemera. You'll get the tags and frames, some ribbon, and some beautiful bling. So with all that, I made this album. So I hope you like it. So let's dig into it. So on the front of it, almost every element on the front of this came off of one of the main pages within the core collection. I cut out a lot of the elements, including this bottom piece, and framed it all in. And then I used some ephemera pieces. This is a chipboard. This is ephemera that's popped up, and this is a big ephemera bunny. There's actually a bunny behind here, but I'm using the big bunny to cover it. And then used all the quoted sayings off that front page. I did make this with a what is called as a new blue cardstock from CARDSTOCK warehouse, and then I lined it in white so that all the colors would pop. This is the first album I've made that I did not ink any of the edges. I wanted the vibrant, bright colors to really pop, and I didn't need to have any inking on the edges. So I liked how it turned out. Here on the spine, we've got a popped up butterfly. That's one of the stickers. This is an ephemera. And then here on the back, we've got some of the stamps. These are 3 of the 4. The 4th one is right here. I used the same paper on the front as I did the back, and it also supplied for my spine. The white satin ribbon is from my stock, but I do sell this on my Etsy site. I'll provide a link below if you're interested. I sell it in 3-yard increments. So let's get on the inside. I'm going to kind of change up the instruction on this video because when I made it, what I did was I made the left panel and the right panel absolutely identical. I wanted to spend my time focusing on the inner pages. So what I've done here, this is a large pocket. This is one of the strips off of that one main page that I used. This is left open on the top, so you can drop in a cute little saying, picture, maybe a ticket from an event. But then this is a nice, good-sized pocket down here for holding those larger items. When we get over here, I did use a lot of the tags. I used about 4 of them, and I covered the front and the back. I used some of the brass pieces with some of the ribbon that came. And then here I used one of the rub-ons. This keeps this main piece here closed. So then when you open this, let's start with here. This is a pocket here up front. And then this is opened up so you can tuck in another small photo here. And then you can tack down that corner to keep it in place. This is an ephemera piece. Then when you open this up, we have a little bit of a tuck here. And then when you come down here, we have a small pocket. And I used an ephemera piece here. This is a long tuck that I made using one of the strips off of that main page again, and then this is a sticker sheet, and that's your pocket. So then this closes, and this comes in here, and then this opens, and over here we have a top and bottom tuck. On this side we have a belly band, and this is one of the chipboard pieces. And then when you open this up, there's a matching tuck top and bottom. And then we've got a chipboard piece, another pocket. And I did use some of the rub-ons up here at the top. Okay. In this, we also have a pull-out. It is an 8x8 pull-out, so that it's covered on both sides, and it slides right back in there. And I used one of the brass tags for identifying that there's something in there. We get here on this side, and this again is another photo opportunity. And I taped down this edge so you can come in here, tuck in behind with a photo. And then there's just a little tiny pocket down here for you to tuck some items. This is a swivel closure. Open this up. This opens up. You've got a great photo opportunity up here. And then we have a pocket here. Pull this down here, and we have one of the graphic 45 tags. And then, let's see if I can get this a little bit closer. And then we have another pocket with an ephemera piece and one of the chipboard pieces. And then on the tag, I again used some of the little brass pieces. This is a tuck, so you can just kind of tuck something in there, and it's covered on both sides, and this has a rub-on. When you open it up this way, you've got a big pocket here, and then this continues to open, and then we've got some tucks on this side using some ephemera pieces as the tucks. I'm going the wrong way with this. And then we're going to clasp that close. Okay, over here, again, one of the tags, again with a tuck. Some of the ribbon, one of the brass bling, covered the back side. These are out of the ephemera pieces. These are butterflies that I've stacked with the floral center. And then these are the flowers that I've also stacked. When you open this up, you've got a couple of pockets here. And this is going to be for sale on my Etsy site. So I'm leaving some places blank so that if you want to add your own tags, your own sentiments that you can. So you can step into this and personalize it a little bit. This is a long tuck as well as on this side. And then I used some of the stickers. I cut this one in half and then centered it, and then a couple of the little butterflies. And then you open it up, and we've got our base page. We've made a big pocket, and we've got two tucks here. Oh, and then this, there's another pull-out covered on both sides. And then here on this page, again, this is one of the frames from the chipboard, and I've left this open so you can come in and slide a photo in there. And then you just have to tack down this corner, and then it will stay in place. This is an ephemera piece. Once I had this down, I put this ephemera piece on, as well as a little bunny on the front side. So then when you open this up, we've got a tag on both sides. And here is a cluster of ephemera flowers that I used. And then you open it, we've got a couple of pockets, a large one, a small one. These stickers are from the sticker sheet, and then this is a double waterfall. These are 3.5 by 5s, and this is a 4 by 6. So there, once I got done with the album, there was enough paper left over that if one wanted to, if you buy the bundle, you could come in here and you can cover the front and the back sides. And then here, again, this is the last page, and again, it's a nice, big, decent pocket. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really would hope that you'll run on over to Scrap and Create. If you haven't purchased the collection, pick up the bundle from them. Show them a little bit of love. They've been very generous with this collection. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would do so and just click that subscribe button down below. Now, there will be links down below in the description field for everything that you would need to make this album. So do please check there first. And if something is missing, then reach on out to me. All right? So until then, I appreciate your viewing and I hope to see you on the next album build. Bye-bye.